All right, we have another segment called Pro Tips.
Pro Tips.
And Pro Tips is for the newbies, people trying to buy their first or build their first laundromat. What tips do you have for somebody, trying to get into this business?
It guaranteed it's going to take more cash than you think. Yeah, there's free laundromats out there. It's free for a reason. You're going to need to put money into it to make it profitable, make it worthwhile. Especially if you're building, you're going to have cost overruns. We had wound up having a storm sewer project where we have actually storm sewer in our parking lot because of the way everything had to be graded down. And I also had to buy a fire hydrant. I have my own fire hydrant. I'm going to paint it pink someday, but I haven't yet. But out in the landscaping, so the water main comes off to that and then into the building. But that was $50,000 we had not planned on between the stormwater sewer project and the fire hydrant.
Oof.
So there went my 401k.
Yeah.
So at the time, that's all we had to tap into. I mean, everything else was in the land and construction costs, and that was a gotcha. We couldn't have planned. I mean, there's a fire hydrant here, there's a fire hydrant there, but the fire department decided that we were just far enough away that neither hydrant could reach this part of the building, the metal building with tile floors with a bunch of laundry equipment in it.
Mm-hmm.
Go figure. So anyway, you'll have cost overruns. Do your due diligence, everything every other person says. Know your demographics. Know the competition. Like I said, I've got the map over there on the wall with a whole bunch of push pins on it that shows every laundromat in town. It's numbered, everyone that's still viable. Black pins denote dead laundromats, ones that have closed. So there used to be one there, now it's not. I've got some other indicators around town that I like to monitor. But that map and then the Excel spreadsheet that matches it is a result of knowing my competition and knowing all the other laundromats around. So just learn the business, join the CLA. Oh my gosh, huge amount of information. Join all the laundromat forums that are on Facebook. And if you do join those laundromat forums on Facebook, there's a search feature for every group. Search first before you ask. Yes, there is such a thing as a stupid question. A stupid question is one that was just answered and you were too lazy to go look it up. So, I know that sounds harsh, but you and I both know we see the same questions every freaking day.
Oh yeah.
Do some searching, do some Googling, or do some searching on that forum. Somebody's already asked that. Maybe it's a little bit different search term, but read that. I'm still learning stuff from people. I'm on all of them. I'm a lurker. I don't post a whole lot, but I read most all of them. Probably I spend way too much time on there reading, but that's how you learn too. So
that's it. Yeah. Awesome tips for pros. I will link to Facebook group there, Facebook groups on the show notes. So if you want to go join some, go click on those links and go join them.